I hope you're doing absolutely great and watching this video in great health. So I actually wanted to do like something adventurous today because I finally have a day off after work, and I wanted to go out, but looking at the cases that we are getting every day, like lakhs and lakhs, I decided to do some adventure with my makeup. I'm gonna do like a very chic and classy black smoky eye look today, and it's like I'm really going to do an adventure because I don't have any skills for like doing a black smoky eye kind of look. I have done like a pink smoky eye, and that too because it's really easy. Like you can easily blend and play around with colors like pink and orange and things like that, but with black you have to be like really careful. So I think I'm gonna give it a try, and I hope that I don't end up looking like a clown, fingers crossed. And yeah, first of all I think I'm gonna change because I'm wearing like the most ghar wali and the raddi t-shirt that I have, and I think I'm going to change into something black so it can go with my look and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna be back in like 1 minute. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so I just realized that I don't have any beautiful black clothes, so I'm going to wear this strappy top only. Anyway, so let's begin. And the first product that I'm going to use is this primer, which you guys have seen in like 1,000 of my videos because I keep buying it. It's like a transparent product, so you won't be able to see it, but it makes your skin like really smooth, and just makeup just glides off like anything. I am shooting this without any pankha AC because that makes a lot of voice, and my stupid self haven't ever bought a mic for YouTube. So yeah, here we are. Now we're going to go ahead with next step, that is foundation. Uske baad we'll get into the most exciting part, and that is eyes. I'm not going to do tons of foundation because I like it. I like to show my scars. Like I used to be like a person who used to hide my scars when I'll have to go out, even for like grocery and everything. But now I like them. Like I really like them. Also, I'm really sorry for the mess that my hair is looking in this video, like so chipke hue, but I didn't want to wash them today, so please bear with me. Moving on to concealer, you've also seen me using this like multiple times. Just little under eyes here because my forehead hates me. Not applying anything here because ये तो वैसे भी काला हो जाएगा. Okay, so we are done and it's time to begin with the eye makeup. I am so damn nervous about it because I have to like shoot few stuff after this, and if this doesn't go well, I'll have to waste my entire day. So okay, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to like set up the things. I'm going to like use this brown color. No, this brown color. That's not brown. Sorry. This brown color for my eyes. So I have seen like few tutorials on like YouTube and Pinterest, but I'm not sure if I have learned anything from them because they're like done. And I'm like, समझा तो दो करा क्या है, but चलो, we'll try. So I'm going to use this black eyeshadow that I have from Wet n Wild. It's completely broken, but we are going to work with it only. I also don't have any chota mirror. Oh my god, what have I done? In the videos that I saw, they were like putting it here, like सीधा बस ऐसे डाल दो, and बाद में you can all do blending and stuff. Shit. Oh my god, this is like a shit show. Oh my god, I look like a raccoon. What have I done? Sorry. I don't know if I'm going to put this video. you need to like just blend it out. Let's try. It doesn't look black. Why did I do this? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to apply some concealer because it's all over. I feel like a human now. Finally, I'll be using this glitter वाला thing. ऊपर वाला नहीं, golden ही ठीक है यार. पहले ही इतना experiment हो गया. It shouldn't do anything more. Wow, it looks green, guys. इसके बाद इसका यूज़ कर रही हूँ brown color because I don't have guts to open that palette again. look good बीच में. I don't look good, right? Okay, फटाफट लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ because लिपस्टिक लगाने से ना look like a human being at least. I love this lipstick. ये थोड़ा better लग रहा है ना? लग रहा है ना? Everything that I'm going to be using will be linked below with the names and everything. So in case you want to look like a clown yourself, please try the product. No, actually the products are really good, but the makeup artist should also be good, right? Okay guys, so this is the makeup I could come up with, and I would rate it like 3.5 out of 10. Let me know what would you rate it out of 10, and I'm sorry if you wasted your time watching this absolutely bizarre tutorial, but yeah, I did try it and I think I'll get better with time. Like, this was my first time trying out anything black on my eyes. Oh, I didn't apply any mascara. Okay, I don't even look like myself. Okay guys, so this is the makeup look I could come up with, and it's full and final. सब लगा लिया मैंने, कुछ नहीं भूली हूँ मैं. Shit, oh my god, I didn't apply any highlighter. ऐसा ही होता है पता है when you do your makeup after like months. This is the final makeup look. It also might be my Halloween look, by the way. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. It was really fun to do actually, but not quite satisfied with my makeup. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I promise next video is going to be a Sarojini haul. I couldn't film it today. I wanted to do something adventurous, as I told you. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to comment, and I love you all. Bye.